Okay, so we've gone from simple chains to these more complex graphs. Now let's zoom out even further. We're going to stop thinking about how to wire up a single agent's brain and start thinking about how to manage an entire team of specialized agents.
This is where we hit the next level of abstraction. You're not down in the weeds worrying about every little logical step anymore. Instead, you start thinking like a project manager. You're defining roles, you're designing processes, and you're figuring out how a whole team can work together to tackle a much bigger goal.
And a framework like CrewAI is a perfect example of this. It's designed to mimic a human team. You create individual agents, and you give them a role, a goal, and get this, even a backstory to help guide how they act. Then you give them tasks and set up a process for how they'll work together, whether that's one after the other or with a manager overseeing everything.
And I think this quote just nails it. You're not building a state machine anymore, which is like a super detailed flowchart of every single possible step. Instead, you're designing a team charter, a high-level plan for how your smart agents are going to collaborate. Google's ADK, or Agent Development Kit, is another great example of this high-level approach. If LineGraph gives you the individual bricks, think of ADK as giving you a pre-built factory assembly line. It provides these structured, ready-to-go patterns for getting agent teams to work together efficiently, especially in a real production setting.
Okay, wow. We have covered a lot of ground, right? From individual bricks all the way up to entire assembly lines. So that leads to the big question. With all these different options, how on earth do you choose the right one for your project?